Hello guys, so now let's go straight to the point. You want to make psiphon free because now it's actually paid in some people place and it's psiphon pro. Now if you come here, now why isn't the app actually opened? But some people own it's not open anymore. It's asking for money. But let's try to connect to United States server. Okay. So now we'll just go to start. Or some people they'll ask for money, but here we need no money. Yes, actually it's connected now. It's connected, yeah. My VPN is actually connected currently. Yeah, exactly. So this is the juicy part. Asking for money. Say access to support in your country now requires support, blah 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 blah. So you are going to disconnect first. Yes. And then you go back because you can actually use this VPN for everything, including PayPal, talkatone, name it. So you just go to an app to make this free. You go to an app called Conduit. Yes, you launch it, Conduit. I'll search for it on Play Store right now so that you can see how it's being done. So you just write con, then you press open, and then it loads, and you get free psiphon. You just have to tap it. While it's running, it's actually going to bypass the payment part of psiphon. And then you're here, I just need to start. Now, if you note, with Conduit, you're going to have unlimited. Okay, let me stop it so you can see it. Exactly. The psiphon speed limit is unlimited now with Conduit. You see Conduit symbol here. Exactly. It's unlimited browsing for free. But if I say let me stop this Conduit now, press it down to stop. Exactly. It's dead now. So I'll just come back to, you see, it's stuck at 2 MB per second, 2 megabyte per second. But now with Conduit, if I start with Conduit, you will start, but after a while disconnect because they're asking you to pay money. But with Conduit, you're gonna enjoy it. You're going to enjoy it. I'll just go back and boom. I need no money. Yes, I need no money. I need no money at all. I just browse for free and unlimitedly, and I'm in United States. So let me just look for a browser to use. Yeah. Browser can let me for Opera Mini. Let's see which country we're actually in. Opera Mini, why? Alright, so just search where am I? I hope it actually shows where I am currently, but it's not actually showing me where I am. Yes, so once you want to another such is that once you want to run your phone, it's actually restart your phone before you start the phone. Okay, I'm not actually connected currently though. Yes, I'm not connected. Let me try connecting. Start it. Yes, as soon as you show it's connected, I'm good to go. I'll ask Google. And I hope it actually works this time. And let me go back to Opera. Exactly. And it's actually working right now. It's working fine right now. And this is how you can bypass any sites anywhere from any so that's actually so thanks for watching guys. Catch you in the next video.